From now, the ball is back in the Committee of Experts court. The committee will have 21 days, that is until January 8th, to consider the views presented and integrate them into the draft. There will be another 21 days until January 29th, during which the committee will fine-tune the recommendations before presenting the draft to the Parliamentary Select Committee on Constitution, PSC. Upon its receipt in January 30th, the PSC will then have 21 days to look at the draft and then hand it back to the committee to integrate their recommendations. Then the committee will return it to the PSC. Without making any changes, the PSC will take to Parliament and table a motion on the draft. It is from here that the House Business Committee will decide when to bring the draft document up for debate in Parliament, a process that has been granted 3 weeks starting 20th February next year. Members of Parliament will then have 1 month to debate on the draft starting 22nd March. If Parliament approves the draft, the Attorney General will publish the draft within 30 days, most likely in early April. And the Interim Independent Electoral Commission will announce a date for referendum within 2 days. However, if Parliament does not approve the document, the Committee of Experts, the reference groups and the PSC will be given another 14 days to mid-April to meet and iron out the contested issues, after which they will present the revised draft to Parliament, which will now be compelled by law to pass it. Then the Interim Independent Electoral Commission will announce a referendum date. The Committee of Experts will then have 2 months to conduct civic education ahead of the referendum, which is likely to be held sometime in August next year. The results of the referendum will be announced 2 days after, and 2 weeks later, the new constitution shall be published. Failure to pass the new constitution will mean the country continues to follow the current one. Hussein Mohammed, Citizen TV.